In this video, we'll look into JavaScript variables. So you can declare variables using var x is equal to 10, var y is equal to 20, and we can add these variables var z to z is equal to x plus y, and to display them, say document dot write z. So z is x plus y, that is 10 plus 20 is 30. So this is there in script2.js file, JavaScript file. I'll save it. I'll go to the HTML page. Here we are calling this script2.js file. In the HTML, in the head part, we are calling script src is equal to script2.js / script. Now this will call this script2.js file, and it should display 30 because 10 plus 20 is 30. Let us execute this. File, view in browser. So we got the 30. Now instead of x being 10, if I take it as a string 10, now this is a 10 is a string and this is a number. Now if I say z is equal to x plus 1, write document dot write z. So save, go to the HTML page, file, view in browser. Now it is showing it as 1020 because we are trying to add a string and a number. So by default it will take it as a string and it is displaying it as 1020 instead of 30. Now let us reassign x and see what will happen. So we take where x is equal to 10 and then we'll write it document dot write x, and I'll give a line break. So I have to give br tag in quotes, double quotes, because this is an HTML tag which we are trying to use it in JavaScript. That's why we have to give this br tag in double quotes so that it will create a new line. So after new line, we'll have this where x is equal to, now I make it 20, and then I'll write it again document dot write, I'll write the x again. So now save it, go to HTML, file, view in browser. So initially it is 10, now it's showing it as 20 because we have reassigned x to 20. Now let us use let, declare the variable. If I say let x is equal to 10 comma y is equal to 20, I say let z is equal to x plus y, and document dot write z. So this is 10 plus 20 is 30. Now say let x is equal to 50 comma y is equal to 100. Say let z is equal to x plus y, and I'll just copy this again, paste it here. So we are writing the z again. So when I declare it, the variable with let, then we'll see what happens. Save it and go to the HTML file, view in browser. Here nothing comes up here. This is the previous window. So when you use a let, it won't allow you to redeclare that variable. So suppose I'll comment this part, slash and star. You can give a block comment like this, star and slash. So this, all these lines can be blocked using this slash and star and ending with star slash. So now if I save it, go to HTML file, view in browser. You can see this is 30. Let me close this. Now I'll come back. I'll uncomment this part, save it, go to HTML file, view in browser. You can see nothing is showing up. That is because you can't redeclare x when you use this let statement. So when you use let x is equal to 10, then you can't say let x is equal to 50 and y is equal to 100. So that's the reason why this is not working. Now to make this work, even when we use this let statement, we can give this part in a block. Give a block, brackets here, and then end it with brackets. So this part is in a block, and we are reassigning x to 50 and y to 100 using the let statement. And here again I'll come down here and then display the, after the block I'll display again its z. So initially this is 10 plus 20 is 30, so here it will show 30, and here this part is in a block, so x is equal to 50 and 100, so this will show us 150, and we came out of the block and trying to display z again, so again this will be 30. So let us see, save it, go to HTML file, view in browser. You can see initially it is 30, and then in the block it has become 150, and then after the block is 30 again. Close this. So here it has shown us as 30, and in the block it has shown us 150, and outside the block it has shown us 30 again. So that's how, even though you are using a let statement, you can use the block so that you can reassign the variables. Now let us use the const keyword. I just seen the let keyword. Now const x is equal to 10, then document.write x plus vr. Now I'll try to assign x to 20, and then I'll copy this, paste it here. So I reassign this to 20, and then trying to print again. Because I have used now const keyword, we can't do this. We'll see it in a minute. But if I say const x is equal to 30, I can't even redeclare this to 30. Let us see what it will print. Save it. Go to HTML, file, view in browser. So see, you can, nothing has been displayed here. Let's close this. So when you use the const keyword, you can't reassign it to another value, or you can't redeclare it again using the const. So if I just delete these two, everything now save. I go to HTML, file, view in browser. Now 10 is displayed. Close this. So this const 10 is displayed now, but you can't reassign it to another value, or you can't redeclare it using the const again. Now let us take an array. Const arr is equal to, in that array I'll take a, b, comma, c. So this is an array, and here we are going to display this array arr. And in this array now I want to replace d with b. So I can say arr 1 equal to b. So this is the 0th position, this is the first position, this is the second position, 0 1 2. So in the first position we are assigning b to that value, so d will be replaced by b. So let me write this again so that we can print it and then see the answer. And then we want to add one more. Now this has become, instead of ADC, this has become ABC. Now we want to add D in the end. So we say arr dot push. We are adding D, and then display it again using the document dot write. Save. Go to HTML page, file, view in browser. So initially it is ADC. Now we replace D with B, so it has become ABC. Now we pushed D to this array, it has become ABCD. Close this, come back here. So that's what ADC has become ABC, and ABC has now become ABCD.